Hi, this is Miss Vicky, occupational therapist, and my assistant Chelsea. We are going to show you today how to make an activity using some common household objects. Today we will need an empty shoebox, some cotton balls or pom-poms, tape, empty bottles, or a ball pump. Get some tape and attach your shoebox to the side of the table. Now we're ready to play. Hold the bottle with two hands and thumbs on top. Get a pom-pom, put it in the middle, and squeeze the bottle. Get the pom-pom to the box. Keep going. Now try the other bottle. Hold with two hands, thumbs on top, and squeeze. Aim into the box, and go. Now let's try with the pump. Hold the pump with two hands, pull it back, and shoot. You can also play this game together. This game improves hand strength using two hands together and eye-hand coordination. Have fun, be creative, and until next time, bye!